Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. Hi, my name is Nur Shamsinar. You can call me Madam Shamsinar. I will be your instructor for this course for this semester. So now I'm going to give you a very quick, short, and simple briefing for the course. Okay, UHLB3132, that is the course code. The name of this course is Professional Communication Skills. This is for semester 2, correction, yes, semester 2, 2022-2023. Okay, as the name stated, okay, Professional Communication Skills, what you can expect from this course is that to equip yourself before you enter working world, to equip yourself in professional settings. Okay, now let's move. This is the committee members. There are 4 of us. Number 1 is the course coordinator, Miss Nur Hazwani. The assistant, number 2, number 3, Madam Haliza, and number 4, Madam Nurun Afisa. Okay, this is the table of content for this briefing. Number 1, we will look at the course summary. Number 2, correspondence. Number 3, video resume. Number 4, group discussion. 5, about textbook. 6, the workflow. And 7, teaching and learning tools that we're going to use. Okay, the course summary. Number of credit is 2. The prerequisite will be UHLB 2122. Before you are able to take this course, you need to pass the prerequisite course. CEFR level, entry level is B2 low until B2 high. Okay, once you enter this course, that will be the expected level that you have. And then once you completed this course, the expected level you should achieve is C1 low, occupational settings. So the class hours or the meeting hours is 2 hours per meeting times 14 weeks. I also would like to remind you that we will have a combination of face-to-face and online meeting. So we will have 7. Okay, 7 times face-to-face meetings and 7 times online meeting. Okay, 7 here means per week. Okay, 15 weeks. So we will have a synchronous and asynchronous. Now the synopsis, this course prepares students with the fundamental skills of speaking and writing in professional related settings. Okay, correspondence. This is your first assignment. Correspondence, 40% of marks. Okay, correspondence is anything related to responding, either via email, text messages, or letter writing. Okay, the correspondence assignment is divided into 2, activity 1 and also activity 2. Now let's look at activity 1 first. Okay, 20% of marks. Students are to answer 4 sets of questions on MyLine. I'm sure all of you are familiar with MyLine. That is the online learning platform. Okay, questions related to email etiquette and different types of emails. The duration will be from week 2 to week 15. And mind you that there will be no extension for this assignment, or I can safely say for any assignments. Please do not expect any extension. Okay, next, activity 2, another 20%. Students are to write an email based on the question given. Okay, actually both activity, they are individual. For activity 1, online quizzes. Activity 2, I treat it as online writing test, a 1-hour writing test. Okay, that will be somewhere in week 7, which means after your mid-semester break. Now let's move to the next part. another assignment, video resume, 30% of marks. Okay. Individually, you will have to plan an outline or storyboard and prepare a video resume of about 2 to 3 minutes. The format will be video presentation, duration starting week 2 until week 9. Okay, next one, group discussion, 30% of marks. So in a group, you will be given a situation to investigate and discuss. It's either situation or case study. Okay, that will be the example, which to me it is already outdated. Okay, the committee have already prepared a number of current issues for students to talk about. Okay, the format will be group discussion, duration 30 to 40 minutes, within week, I would say within week 12 to week 14. Okay, mine is always earlier than the stated version. Okay, um, next is about the textbook. I don't know whether this is a good news or bad news for all of you, but for this course, you will have no textbook to buy. Okay, everything will be provided. Notes, samples. Okay, provided on your e-learning platform, not G Drive. Okay, this is the timeline or the workflow. Week 4, the beginning of correspondence activity 1, and then week 7, activity 2, a writing test. Week 9, submission of your video resume. Week 15, group discussion, and also the end of activity 1. Okay, please expect that I usually end my class even before week 15. So everything will be earlier than expected. Because I just want you to, prepare in advance since you have other courses to worry. Okay, this is the arrangement, a weekly arrangement. Okay, this can always be modified accordingly. Okay, teaching and learning tools. There are 3. First is face-to-face. During synchronous class, we will use PowerPoint, in-class activity, Webex, Gmeet, Google Meet, Zoom, Kahoot, okay, things like that. For asynchronous, we have our e-learning, quizzes, Padlet. Okay, for video editors, this is for your video resumes. I'm sure all of you are more, more familiar with other editing tools or editing applications. All right, a short quotes by this person. Okay, thank you everyone. I think that's about it for your course briefing. Now I'm going to go into details. We will look at the course information. So this document, you can download it from your e-learning. Okay, it's good to always keep the course information for each course that you take within that semester. Okay, you can always refer. Okay, this one we can skip. All right. Okay, let's look at this part. Continuous assessment. As you can see, there is no final exam for this course. Okay, there are 4 assignments, ongoing assignments. Okay, group discussion. This will be face-to-face or in class. Correspondence activity 1 and 2 online. Video resume also online. But the input and everything, of course, will be during classes, during our meetings, either synchronous or asynchronous. Okay, I think that's about it for the course briefing. Um, what else should I inform you? I think I've covered everything. Okay, so I would like to remind all of my students to frequently check your e-learning for any new updates, any new notes or information. Okay. I will also create a WhatsApp group for our section, and then um, I'll put the link or upload the link on your e-learning. Right? Thank you.